I guess
that's the way I like it. That makes me rumble. Don't we rumble? Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Ah, rumble, young man, rumble. Hey! That's what we're gonna do.
Rumble, young man rumble. Rumble, young man rumble. Get in the rain like I'm Ali. Dance around that thing like I'm Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Rumble, young man rumble. Rumble, young man rumble. Get in the rain like I'm Ali. Dance around that thing like I'm Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Cashes, 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 cashes. Ran around the city like I'm the baddest. Dipping through traffic. Letting them have it. Wake up and I levitate. Grind hard, man, I dedicate. Time and money till I elevate to another state. Graduate from empty place to getting hella cake. Devastate rappers when they try to tell me they achievements. I defecate on the accolades. Slay the babe to the ad rate and they black out thinking they packing. Y'all get knocked out by the heavyweight. Rumble, young man rumble. Rumble, young man rumble. Get in the rain like I'm Ali. Dance around that thing like I'm Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Rumble, young man rumble. Rumble, young man rumble. Get in the rain like I'm Ali. Dance around that thing like I'm Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Butterflies what I float like. You utter lies in your post, right? Your pen about to die, you losing hope, right? I put my spirit in this shit, but I don't ghost, right? I boast like Muhammad, just when you thought you dropped hot shit, I post my shit, and flames pop up in comments. I kill all the nonsense, I do other conscious. Ready for whatever like a young Cash Clay. All around killing mics just to get the pay. Flow going dumb like I'm from the bay, numb from the pain. Got a man full of strain, so I'm some when it's sane. Got a lung full of strain, keep me higher up than planes. Slayer of the name, came to light up the game. Take a bite of the fame, pass idols, slay your rivals, and light up a flame. Rumble, young man rumble. Rumble, young man rumble. Get in the rain like I'm Ali. Dance around that thing like I'm Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Rumble, young man rumble. Rumble, young man rumble. Get in the rain like I'm Ali. Dance around that thing like I'm Ali. Pretty cocky Ali. Pretty cocky Ali.
We knocks out everybody and no one can whoop him. That's when that little Cassius Clay from Louisville, Kentucky came up and stopped Sonny Liston, the man who annihilated Floyd Patterson twice. He was gonna kill me. He hit harder than George. His reach is longer than George. He's a better boxer than George. And I'm better now than I was. And you saw that 22-year-old undeveloped kid running from Sonny Liston. I'm experienced.